This is how you can afford a skincare routine. In this video, I am giving you my 5 tips, really 6 tips for how to keep it simple without sacrificing results. I'm the budget dermatologist, Dr. Maren Locke. I help you fix your skin without breaking the bank. Everything I mentioned in this video will be linked on the video or in the video description. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and come say hi on Instagram at the budget dermatologist. So let's get into tip number 1. Think about the skincare product that is going to be on your skin for the least amount of time, the least contact time on your skin. We are spending the least amount of money on this product. It's your cleanser, okay? Your cleanser should be on your skin maybe 30 seconds, maybe 60 seconds, maybe even less for some of you. So we are spending the least amount on our cleanser. We want something simple that works and will not irritate your skin. So if you have a very limited budget, I want you to spend less than $10 on this product in your routine. So let me show you 2 of my favorites that I always find for under $10. This by Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser is just around $8 on Amazon. I will link it. It is so simple. It will not irritate the skin and it will really cleanse your skin very well. I promise you, you can keep it simple for your step 1 cleansing. This is all you need. Another great option if you want a good little anti-aging cleanser with glycolic acid. You've seen me talk about this so many times before. It is my #1 budget favorite pick for an anti-aging cleanser. It's around $12, but you almost can always find it for around $8 to $9 on Amazon. I'm gonna link this one too. So I challenge you to spend under $10 on a cleanser if you have a limited budget. I have another tip for you if you are somebody who loves to double cleanse. Instead of buying 2 cleansers, which is gonna add up your budget there, you can try a cleanser like this. It's right around $12 on Amazon. It's one of my favorites. I am using this all the time right now. It's CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser. I find that this has replaced my double cleanse and turned it into a single cleanse. So for just a few dollars more, if you're somebody who needs a double cleanse and a water-based cleanser to clean the makeup off your skin and cleanse your skin thoroughly, try this. It's a great budget kind of all-in-one hack to save you a little bit of money. And that's tip number 1. We are spending the least amount on a cleanser in our skincare routine. Tip number 2 for how you can afford your dream skincare routine is we are going to simplify it without sacrificing results from those ingredients we want on our skin by opting for combination products, okay? So after your #1 most coveted ingredient you want on your skin, say vitamin C or maybe a retinoid, you can totally get a separate product just for those. But for those other key actives that you still want on your skin, like niacinamide, peptides, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, you do not need a separate serum for all of those ingredients. In fact, I highly advise against it because layering many skincare products can really lead to irritation of your skin. So think about a combination product to incorporate more of these actives in less products that is going to save your skin barrier and save you money and time in your skincare routine. Let me show you a great option that exemplifies this tip by the Inky List. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. This is $10, but it's not just hyaluronic acid. This also has in it Matrixyl 3000, which is my favorite peptide for anti-aging. It's one of the peptides that has the most research behind it that shows that it can rebuild collagen in the skin. So for $10, you get hyaluronic acid and peptides. That's gonna simplify your routine and not overdo it for your skin barrier. Then, a little bit higher of a price point, but another great combination serum that I love on my skin. This has hyaluronic acid and a good percentage of niacinamide. So again, it's keeping your routine very simple, saving you some money from buying multiple separate products. And also many drugstore brands that are some of my favorites, like CeraVe, La Roche-Posay, Neutrogena. A lot of these will actually have formulations that you've checked the label. They will have niacinamide, they will have sodium hyaluronate or hyaluronic acid, they'll have ceramides in it, some will have peptides. So a lot of formulations are already incorporating these ingredients. You don't need to pull them out into a separate serum and add money to your routine and complicate things. So tip number 2, choose combination products. Tip number 3, stop using so much of all of your skincare products except for your SPF, because let's be honest, all of us are not using enough SPF and then we're using way too much of our other skincare products. Now, the reason this is gonna save you money, let's talk about it. This is one of the all-time best moisturizers for your skin, in my opinion. I've been using this for many years, especially if you're using a retinoid. The La Roche-Posay Double Repair Moisturizer, I'll link it below, one of the best. But you guys, you don't need that much of it. I'm gonna show you how much you need for your entire face. It's not that much. All of that is all you need for your skin. If you're using too much of this, you are going to risk damaging your skin barrier and wasting your product and wasting your money. So use less quantity of your products, except your sunscreen. That will save you from wasting the products, and it will also help your skin barrier. I'm just gonna moisturize my arm with that so we don't waste it. Okay, so now we're on tip 4. If you are like me and spend the majority of your skincare budget on your single most effective nighttime anti-aging product, maybe it's a retinaldehyde, you really want that product to do the most and to last a long time. This is an example by Medik8. It's a pricey product. It's a retinaldehyde product. I'll link this one below. But guys, you don't need to use it every single night to get those results. In fact, I encourage you not to use it every night because your skin barrier will thank you if you give it some rest nights. So try to space this out to every other night or even just 3 times a week. You can still get results. You are going to protect that skin barrier from breakdown, and you're gonna make this product last longer and get more for your money. Now, of course, there are some awesome budget alternatives to this. If you can't put that in your routine baseline anyways, no matter how long it lasts, I will link some of my favorite budget retinaldehyde products in the description of this video as well. Tip 5, this is really a PSA about sunscreen use as well. If you are somebody who has a bougie, expensive sunscreen in your routine, maybe you love a Supergoop, maybe you love Elta MD, who doesn't? They're amazing sunscreens, but they can be pricey. Some of these sunscreens can be $40, $50, or even more. And here's my only gripe with those, okay? When they're that expensive, I find that we are skimping on how much we are using because they're expensive and we want them to last longer. And if you are not using enough, you are not getting the SPF on the label. So the easy solution is use more to get the SPF on the label. Couple problems there. People still aren't going to use enough. And then 2, a lot of these products, maybe it's a SPF with makeup in it, like Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. That can be $50. You don't want to use enough because it will look too caked on, the makeup will look too thick, and that's not the look you're going for, so you're just not using enough. So here is what I want you to do. Grab an amazing drugstore sunscreen. You can spend less than $20 on this product. This is a great example. It's a new one by Eucerin, the Advanced Hydration SPF 50. This one is invisible and it is weightless on the skin. You put a good layer of this on the face and neck, wait several minutes for it to completely dry and absorb in. Your skin will feel totally normal. Then you can go in and put whatever makeup with SPF, a tinted sunscreen, a glowy sunscreen, whatever you want, put it right over that for a little boost in SPF protection and to finish off with the look that you want on your skin, but you are not solely relying on this SPF because you're just not gonna be using enough of it anyways. So that is tip number 5. I will link some great budget sunscreen options in the description of this video. Now here is your tip 6, this little bonus tip. It's actually probably one of the most important tips to shrink the total budget of your skincare routine. The tip is, you do not need a medical grade skincare product for every product in your routine, or really any product in your routine, because if you've been watching anything of mine before, you know that we do not equate the price of a skincare product to how good it is. There are many, many brands and many products out there that have the same key ingredients and give you the same benefits at a fraction of the cost, and they work just as well. So check out the description of this video. I'm gonna list some of my favorite skincare dupes for some of those more expensive products. I think these dupes work just as well. I've been using these for years. You guys give me great feedback for how well they have worked for your skin as well. You really don't need to overdo it. We don't need to complicate it. We don't need to spend a bunch of money, and you can improve your skin with a really affordable skincare routine. I hope you found these tips helpful. I want to hear from you guys. What are your favorite affordable skincare products? What tips do you do to keep your budget under control for skincare? I love to learn from you guys as well. So comment below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel before you head out, and come say hi on Instagram at The Budget Dermatologist. See you guys soon. Bye.